There's that often quoted saying, a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear. As cliche as it sounds, I've been there and done that many times. While I love variety in what I wear, having too many options can be entirely overwhelming and make the decision of what to wear each day feel like a challenge. One thing I keep coming back to are always the basics in my wardrobe, which got me thinking, what if I was to start my entire wardrobe from scratch? So let's say I took everything out, one by one, and I could only add 33 items back in. Which of the items of the favorites I own would be keepers? What would I want to add back in first? I thought I'd give a glimpse at the key pieces I'd keep, starting with a basic white button-down shirt. This one's from Uniqlo. It's super inexpensive and I really loved having this in my closet. The second piece I'd keep is a striped top. This one is from T by Alexander Wang and I've had it for 5 years now and it's served me well despite having a hole in it. Then I'd have to keep a cotton tank, something that's really easy and breezy, great for the summertime, probably in a black or white. My next pick would be a staple silk camisole. You know how much I love these. This one is from Grana. I've had it for a couple of years now and it's a great transitional and spring summer staple. I also would want to keep this Mademoiselle short sleeve shirt. Again, one I've had a couple of years. It's one of their core basics and an item I would always recommend. I absolutely love this one. My J. Crew polka dot wrap front top. This is one of my favorite pieces in my closet. I pull it out every single year and I just love the way that this looks. I also think I'd have to have a basic tee, either in white or black. I love the ones from Redone because they have a slightly shrunken fit. A great linen shirt is also a must for me. A really great piece when it starts to get warmer, great for travel, and great for wearing over your swimsuit at the beach. I also have this really floaty top from Mademoiselle, which I adore. I have it in white and black, but I'd probably keep the black. It is so nice for summer. A very slim fitting tank is also a must, something that comes up really high. I love the detail on this one. Then this top from Frame. This is a bit of a statement because it has these amazing cuffed sleeves, which I adore. I just think they are so fun and playful. Knitwear wise, my Everlane Cashmere Rib Sweater would definitely get a look in. I love how cozy this is and the grey colour is one of my faves. My Two Sew with Love cardigan, which I wanted for many years and finally got my hands on. I am never giving this little beauty up. Then we have just a plain fitted cotton mock neck. I love this because it's a great layering piece, especially during the cooler months, or worn on its own, it looks very sleek. A really nice, simple, basic cashmere sweater. This one's from Mott & Bow and I'm wearing the medium and I love how slouchy and oversized it is and the bone color is lovely. And I couldn't go without mentioning my Joseph oversized roll neck sweater. This is probably my favorite knitwear piece that I own and it has just really served me well the last couple of years. Blazer wise, I would want to keep my Country Road black double-breasted blazer in black. This is a basic piece and goes with everything and I love the fact that it's a bit wider. An oversized grey wool blazer. I love how masculine the fit of this is. It's a little bit different to the other styles I have in my closet and it's a really nice transitional piece. The other blazer I would keep is a Czech Blazer, just to add a bit of print in there. This one I got from H&M and the quality of it is top notch and I always love wearing it. I would have to keep a leather jacket. I love my All Saints one. I think it is really great value for money, especially if you don't want to splurge on a leather jacket from Acne. I'd also have to keep a great trench coat because I think this is the perfect transitional piece when it comes to layering during the colder months. And this one from M&S is really lovely. My Stella McCartney coat, which was a splurge for my 30th birthday. I adore this thing and it is so heavyweight, perfect for cold winters. For dresses, I'd probably keep just the one, this gorgeous backless Dion Lee dress. I've worn this to weddings, I've worn it out for special occasions and I feel $1 million in it. Clearly I adore set frits, so a basic black mini skirt is a great option for me, something that can be paired back really easily with a big oversized sweater in the winter, worn with tights. This beautiful midi skirt from Lover has been a favorite of mine for about 4 years now. I love the broderie anglais fabric and the floaty silhouette of the hemline. Then we have my J. Crew denim skirt. I pull this out every spring, summer. I love it. It's not too short, but it has that fun frayed hem and it goes with everything that I own in my wardrobe. My Phillip Lim shorts I added to my closet at the start of this year. I'd wanted them for a long time and I'm so glad I got them because they have a bit more of a formal edge to them. That the tie detail is so fun. Then we have this leather skirt from Willow, unfortunately a now defunct brand. The quality of this is just divine. It's a really nice buttery leather and the silhouette is A-line, which is universally flattering. If I could only pick one pair of denim shorts, it would be my Dr. Denims. I like the high rise on these and also the fact that they aren't too tight around the leg. I actually have these in white as well and they're such a great summer wardrobe staple. Then we have jeans. My Dr. Denim skinny jeans are my number one. These are my ride or die jeans that I wear all the time and I got them tailored to fit me perfectly. I love them. The other pair of skinny jeans I would include would be my ASOS Farley Mom jeans. I really like the wash. It's a mid-blue wash and the tabs on the hips are really different. I haven't seen them on any other denim that I've come across. The final pair of jeans I would hang on to are my Everlane Cheeky Straight in the ankle length. I love how these fit. I like the fact that they're a bit more relaxed and the crop length is perfect. Finally, my Topshop trousers. I love these things. I feel like I went to the ends of the earth to try and track these down, but it was worth it. I really like the way that these look with neutral pieces in my closet. So those are the 33 items in my wardrobe that I would keep if I had to start over from scratch. I'd love to know what some of your core pieces are that you would hang on to. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.